Oh, water. All right, today we're gonna bring a jug holder, and these are all the tools that they give you. The Allen wrench, the whole pieces are set up, instructions included with it, and this is actually to hold the jugs. All right, I actually own 2 of these and I like it. Instead of picking up the whole gallon itself, you just grab this in here, just grab it, and it picks it up automatically. Well, not automatically, you got to physically pick it up, but it grabs on pretty good, pretty tight. Those that have like issues with their shoulders and so forth, this is a perfect thing to including with the whole setup. So Allen wrench, when it's set up, and see how it looks. All right, as you can see, it takes about 3 of these jugs. All right, it's large, it's heavy duty. All right, so it's going to be stabilized, and it doesn't take that much space that I even put it in my entrance here. So whenever I need to pick them up from outside, it's very convenient just to put them right here, right in the front, and make sure they're ready to go. So if you guys are looking for something like this, slim, simple to put together, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.